Sandali. Ano nangyari?
Nagulat.
Ha?
Nagulat yung banda.
Nagulat? Huminto?
Eh, nagulat yung si Ate Porte. Huminto.
Yun na yun?
Okay na.
Hindi mo man ako pasikati ng konti.
Ha?
Pasikati mo naman ako dito tayong dalawa. Nakatay na.
Eh, kung mong gugulatin
Dito.
Tutuloy ba natin?
Tuloy na lang natin.
Sige.
Sige.
2, 3, lahat ay
Ay nagulat ng buksan ng pinto. Kaya nga ang mga tao ay biglang nahinto.
Ayan, wala na akong magagawa dyan. Huminto na talaga. Ayaw na.
Yun na yun?
Ibig sabihin,
Ayaw mo kantayin yung tuloy pa rin para mahaba?
nakita mo naman yun.
yung FD mo ngayon, kahit sa kanin na may gugulam ko yan. Exit kami. Bossing,
Ha?
kanta tayo.
Diyan ka muna.
Yan ang gusto ko, may gitara ka.
Ayusin mo. Yung buhok ko. Butik na akong ma-PU.
Ha? Bossing, exit ako.
Saan ba ta?
Dito lang. Bossing! Bossing!
Ito, kantahan lang, walang personalan to. I heard that you settled down, found a boy every night. I heard that your dreams came true, 'cause she gives you things I didn't give you. Nice one. Oh, friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you open high light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, couldn't fight it. I always see my face, and that should be reminded that for me there's no one. Every man finds someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. So don't forget me. I bet I remember you say sometimes it lasts enough, and sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts enough, and sometimes it hurts instead. You know how time flies away. Yesterday was the time of our lives. We were embraced in summer haze, bound by these surprise far glory days. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I always see your face, and it lasts too long, and sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts too long, and sometimes it hurts instead. Nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets and mistakes, the memories made. Who would have known how bittersweet this would taste? You see, every mile I found someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me.